Step into the unknown, Mystery Seeker, where the mystery unfolds. In the far off north of Canada, surrounded by endless snow and silence, lies a frozen place called Anjikuni Lake. Today it looks peaceful, almost untouched, but nearly a century ago, this quiet landscape became the center of the strangest disappearance stories ever. Travelers who passed through the region often spoke about a small settlement near the lake. It was a remote place where families lived simple lives, depending on fishing, hunting, and the harsh northern land around them. Life here was never easy. Winters were long, the nights were dark, and the temperature could drop far below freezing. Yet the people who lived here were experienced and strong, used to surviving in one of the toughest environments on earth. The settlement itself was small but active. Wooden cabins stood close to the frozen shoreline, and trails in the snow connected each home. Smoke often rose from chimneys, and sled tracks marked the paths used every day. Visitors to the area sometimes stopped by the settlement while traveling across the region. It was a friendly place where travelers could rest for a while before continuing their journey through the wilderness. But one winter evening, a traveler approaching the village noticed something unusual. From a distance, everything looked normal. The cabins were still standing, and the snow covered paths were visible. Yet, as he moved closer, the silence felt strange. There were no voices, no movements, and no signs of anyone outside. For a place that was normally active, the stillness was unsettling. When he entered the settlement, the feeling became even more mysterious. The cabins were there, the tools were there, but the people were nowhere to be seen. Inside the homes, many everyday items were still in the place, supplies remained stored inside, and some belongings looked as if they had been left suddenly. Even the fish equipment near the frozen lake had not been taken away. Everything suggested that the residents had been living normally not long before. Outside the cabins, the snow showered only faint traces of old tracks, but there were no clear signs explaining where the villagers had gone. The travelers searched the nearby area, walking around the settlement and along the frozen lake, but the vast snowy landscape offered no answers. The surrounding wilderness stretched endlessly in every direction. Forests, frozen water, and miles of snow made it one of the most isolated places imaginable. As light approached, the quiet village became even more eerie. The cold wind moved throughout the empty settlement, and the silence felt heavier than before. News of the strange discovery slowly spread to nearby communities. People began wondering how an entire settlement could suddenly become empty. Some believed the villagers might have moved to another location in remote northern regions. Small communities sometimes relocated depending on the seasons and resources. Others thought something unexpected might have caused them to leave quickly. Harsh weather, wildlife, or changing conditions could force people to travel elsewhere. But the biggest question remained the same: why would everyone leave behind so many things that were important for survival in the Arctic? In a place where every tool and supply mattered, leaving everything behind did not seem just like a simple decision. The mystery slowly became a story told by travelers and explorers who passed through the region. Over time, different explanations appeared. Some believed the people simply moved away quietly, starting new lives somewhere else. Others thought the story might have changed as it was repeated over the years, becoming more mysterious each time it was told. In remote places, stories can grow larger as they travel from person to person. But even today, the idea of a quiet village suddenly becoming empty continues to capture people's imagination. Standing near the frozen lake today, it is hard to imagine the life that once existed here. The wind moves across the snow, and the landscape remains silent just as it has for many years. The cabins that once held families and daily activity have faded into history. What really happened near this remote northern lake may never be fully known. Was it simply a relocation, a misunderstood story, or something lost to time? One thing is certain, the mystery of Anjikuni Lake remains one of the most intriguing disappearance stories ever connected to the Arctic wilderness. Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers, where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.